How to download videos on TikTok Lite. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can download videos on TikTok Lite, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to download videos on TikTok Lite, all you have to do is go ahead and launch the TikTok Lite application here. Once you launch the TikTok Lite, it is as simple as just downloading a specific video on the main TikTok app. All you have to do is play that video or pause it and then just tap the share icon from the bottom right, which is the arrow icon that you can see. When you tap on the icon, you're going to have different options and you'll also have a little download button that says save video. So basically what you need to do is just tap the save video icon that you can find them over here. Allow the TikTok Lite app to access your photos, files and media, and the video will get saved to your gallery as you can see here. Now if I just go ahead and then open up my gallery application, I might as well show you the video has been saved as you can see. So this way I can go ahead and download videos on TikTok Lite. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and if you have got any questions then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.